Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this very quick and easy veggie creamy pasta. I was so close to saying creamy chicken pasta because I've made it so much and I continue making it so much. But this is literally just a veggie pasta with cream and cheese, without the chicken of course. I realised I had some double cream in the fridge that I needed to get rid of. I did plan to make something completely different with it, but I realised I've not made pasta in quite a while and I wasn't craving to have any meat, so I just thought, let me make the same pasta without the meat. I was actually just going to keep this as like an ASMR style video, but I feel like I've not done a voiceover in so long, so here's a voiceover as well. And I also wanted to say I did not ever expect to reach 30,000 subscribers. So for all you guys that are subscribed and watching this, I appreciate you highly. I'll not ever get bored of like making pasta, but I'll definitely try and like upload like 2 recipes a month, because that's what a lot of you guys seem to love. When I say 2 recipes a month, I don't mean 2 recipes a month. I mean like 2 pasta dishes, because I'm always like trying to make different types of pasta, but I just never post them because I need to like make them a couple times for it to actually like be acceptable to post on my platform. I also did a poll on my community section on this channel, and I think it was like, should I make curries or pasta or something else, and pasta was literally the top, so that's what I'll continue to make. Also, for you guys that are watching and probably gonna judge my cutting skills, I am not a professional. Like, I definitely need to buy some type of like veg cutter that I did say I was gonna get, because the cutting just takes so long and I don't know how to professionally cut even like minced garlic, so I'm just gonna have to do it for now. But then at the same time, I actually find cutting really therapeutic, so I don't mind it. But anyway, let me get back to the actual video and recipe and show you guys exactly what I'm doing. So as you just saw, I sliced up some bell peppers and onions and I'm frying them together on a medium to high heat. Once it's been cooking for a minute or 2, I then added in the garlic that I chopped up. And then after 5 or so minutes, this is how they look together. Once your veggies are cooked nicely, I then added in some double cream. If you don't have double cream, you can definitely use single cream. I recently used single cream for a jerk chicken pasta that I made, and it works just as well. At this point, I only added in half the tub, and then I followed that by adding in 2 heaped spoons of tomato puree. Adding in the tomato puree, or even like a tomato tin or anything to do with tomatoes. I'm not sure about fresh tomatoes really, because they don't bring out that like certain colour, but this does make your pasta look like that orangey pasta colour, if that makes sense. I could be wrong, fresh tomatoes could probably make it have that like red golden colour, but I've never used fresh tomatoes, so I don't know. Once you start getting that really nice rich colour from mixing in the tomato puree, I then added in the rest of the double cream. The detailed measurements will also be in my captions, so make sure to check that out if you want to make it as well. Once it's mixed all together on low heat, I then added in some seasonings. I started off by adding some salt. I followed that by a spoon of chili flakes. I also added in some paprika, and I followed that by some cayenne pepper as well. And then to finish off, I also added in some mixed herbs. I never used to actually use cayenne pepper in my dishes, but as of recently I have actually been using it quite a lot, and it does bring out a really nice flavour, especially in pasta dishes. So if you've never tried cayenne pepper or used it, then this might just be your sign to, give it a try. So once all the spices are in, make sure to give your sauce a taste. I'm sure I ended up adding a little bit more salt, but it depends on how you like your food. The last step is to simply add in your boiled pasta. I'm using penne pasta, of course. I didn't add any pasta water because I thought the sauce was enough, and also pasta water does come out of the penne anyway because it has like coals. And then for cheese, I'm using this original Mexicana cheddar cheese that I found in Tesco's. I've always ever bought the one that was already sliced, so I just bought the block and grated it myself, and it was actually really nice. And here is literally how to make a veggie creamy pasta dish. In my personal opinion, you can definitely have this pasta cold as well, because I took it to work the next day and it was so nice cold. But yeah, if you do give this recipe a try, make sure to show me because I love to see your recreations. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.